friends, today I'm going to show you how to change the size of your desktop icons in Windows 10. So here you can see the size here. This is a small size. So how will we change the size? So here it's very simple. So you have to just right click. You have to click view. Here I've selected small icons. Now you can select medium. You can select large. Doesn't fit the screen. So this is how you change the file size. But this is three standard options. Another option wherein you can change the file size is that just the control mouse. You can just use the mouse scroll and control. See, wherein the size increases slowly. Here you have a variety of options for this changing the size. So this is another option wherein you can change the size of your Windows desktop icons. So hope you liked the video. It's a simple tutorial. Thank you very much.